So on this car we were getting a couple of messages on the dashboard saying the cruise control, the ABS wasn't working, all sorts. After replacing the front brake pads, pedal was vibrating as well when you pressed it. So what you're going to do is switch off the ignition, let it all power down, pull the seat forward, and the battery's actually inside here. If you pull up this cover, you will see the battery here. So disconnect the negative terminal on it. You can see the negative there. It's a 10mm nut, and then just leave it off for like 10 minutes and then pop it back on. Make sure you tighten it back up, not too crazy. And what you're gonna do is, I can't get the back together now, 1 second. So what you're gonna do is then switch on the ignition, wait for about 15 seconds, and the brakes will go through a self check, and then you're just going to push hard on the brake pedal after the 15 seconds or so, and you'll feel the pedal pulsing. It will be clicking. It can take up to 3 minutes to do this, so it goes through the cycle. And either wait till the lights on the dash, which were over here, go out, or the pulsing stops. You still might have to go on with the diagnostics, which I do recommend.